How to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube application on your device. Navigate to Profile at bottom right. Tap Gear at top right. You need to scroll and find picture-in-picture, but here you do not find, so you need to exit YouTube. Alternatively, long press on YouTube app icon and tap on I button and you can directly enable picture-in-picture from this app info page of YouTube. Here you got the option of picture-in-picture, select that and you need to simply toggle on the button for picture-in-picture. With this will allow app to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.